How to send or transfer money from Chime to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to send or transfer money from Chime to Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. Once you are here, make sure you tap on the profile icon that appears at the top right corner of the screen. This is the profile section of your account. The profile section of Cash App contains your general settings, personal details, and connected account preferences. Under Account and Settings, find the option below Personal Information and tap Linked Banks. Doing this opens your Payment Methods page, where you can view existing cards or connect a new debit card or bank account to your balance. So in order to connect an external bank account, you first have to at least have a debit card connected to your Cash App, after which the Connect Banks option appears. When you tap on that option, a page similar to this one appears. You will be taken to the Plaid integration screen, where Cash App connects directly to your financial institution using secure credentials. Read through the privacy and data sharing terms outlining how Plaid handles transfers and fraud prevention. Then tap Continue at the bottom of the display. This will open the bank directory where you can search for your specific bank and log in with your online banking details. Next, look for Chime in the list of popular banks that appears, or type Chime into the top search bar to select your institution and log in with your account details. Now, come back to the home page so you can easily load funds straight from your newly linked Chime account. Tap the Money tab, bank icon or balance amount in the bottom left corner of the screen to view your main balance options. Next, select Add Cash. Type or select the exact dollar amount you want to move from Chime and hit Add. Finally, confirm the transaction using your Cash PIN or Face ID/Touch ID, and the money will instantly transfer from Chime into your Cash App balance. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to send or transfer money from Chime to Cash App.